This is additional maths paper, past paper 2022, and we're looking at question 2. So this question says, show by factorising that n to the power of 3 minus n is the product of 3 consecutive numbers. Hence, given the fact that, well, n cubed minus n equals 120, find the value of n. Well, if we first look at this question, we say n is a number. Now I've got a minus, so I'm going to do the consecutive before and the consecutive after. So the consecutive number is the number that comes directly before n, so that's going to be n minus 1. And the number after n is going to be n plus 1. Now product means multiplied. So I'm going to be doing n times n minus 1 times n plus 1. Obviously, we don't like to write it like that, so we're going to show it with its brackets. There we go. And sorted. And then we can expand out of that. So we've firstly, if we do the first bit, that gives you n squared. And then that's minus 1. And that would then simplify down to n cubed minus n. So that's how we got the proof for that section, to show how it forms from there. Hence, given that n cubed minus n is 120, well, we know n cubed has to be a whole number. So we're thinking about our cube numbers. We've got 1 cubed, which is 1, 2 cubed, which is 8, 3 cubed, which is 27, 4 cubed, which is 64, 5 cubed, which is 125. Well, 125 take away 5 gives us 120. So n must equal 5. And that's just the process we've gone through there. And we've exaggerated out how y is nothing else between that. Okay, so that's my question finished. Let's just have a look. Oh, I've written over the mark scheme. So we got n brackets plus 1 and minus 1. So I've shown that there, even though I've shown it's like the other way around, that's fine. So I have my 2 marks for that one. And if I'd just shown n minus, well, this bit, I would have only got 1 mark. So it's really important that I showed all of my workings at the top. And then I've shown my workings here. So I've shown enough workings to prove that if, so we've got 5 cubed minus 5 gives us 120, which I've shown in various formats by there. So that would be my 4 marks. So that's it. Question 2 finished.